Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks back in the kitchen with another meal prep idea and video. Okay, today I'm going to be making some oven baked jerk chicken, and I'm going to try to make it as healthy as possible. I'm going to not overly season it like we normally do in the Caribbean, but it's going to be a healthy meal because I'm going to have lots of vegetables and stuff on the side. Okay, so let me show you how I'm going to make this for my family as well as myself. Now what I'm going to start off to do is pre-season my food so this way it can marinate for at least a couple of hours and come out very tasty. Whenever I'm working with chicken, I always, or meats, I try to always wear my gloves. Please forgive me for not showing the seasoning part of the chicken. I thought I was recording, but it turns out I wasn't. But what I did was lightly season both sides of my chicken legs with all of the seasoning, not using so much of the Lawry's seasoned salt. Anything that had a lot of sodium in it, I lightly seasoned it up. But I mostly used my jerk sauce and flavored it with that. So now I'm just going to cover it with my foil and allow it to sit in the refrigerator for at least about 2 hours. So this way it's nicely marinated, and when I'm ready I'll just pop it in the oven at 400 degrees and bake until it's done. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm adding in my sweet potatoes into a pot of boiling water, and I'm also adding in my sweet plantains as well. So I'm just going to boil those together, and then I'll be back when that's finished. Alright, I just finished washing my broccoli. I got 2 gigantic heads of broccoli, and I'm going to cut them into pieces. Okay, it looks like I don't need both of them because that's going to be a lot. And being that I'm cooking for the family, this should be good for today's portion. I can always come back again the next day and cook my broccoli. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in some butter. Okay, about 2 tablespoons of my butter, butter, and I'm just going to cover it up and wait to pop it in the microwave because I'm going to steam this. Okay, so now that my plantains are ready, and you can tell because now they're starting to open up on the sides. Alright, so now that they're finished boiling, I don't want to boil out all of the flavor out of it, so I'm just going to start removing them from my pot. And what I like to do is I like to boil them in the skin. Okay, and my sweet potatoes are still not ready yet. I'm going to let those continue to boil a little bit more because I'm going to be making some mashed sweet potatoes on the side. Alright, so I'm going to drain this water and prepare my sweet potatoes. So what I'm going to do is start taking my sweet potatoes out. So now I'm just going to mash it up, and I'm going to add in some butter. season that to taste if you choose that you want to add some black pepper in there, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Okay. And I'm going to cover it up and proceed cooking my chicken. Alright you guys, so here it is. Here is my meal for the next couple of days. So this is just going to go in the refrigerator, but it's so simple, it's so easy, as you can see, and it's a wonderful way to prepare your meals. You do it in advance, and this is a nice healthy portion, okay? And I'm so looking forward to eating it. Now this is also my dinner for tonight, so I'm going to have my first portion tonight, and the rest is going to go into the refrigerator. So I just want to thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more of these types of videos, thumbs it up. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button, and let me know down below if you want me to do some other types of meals, okay? But yeah, this is what I'm having, all right, as well as my dinner for tonight. All right you guys, so thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the link to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.